Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie. I do lifestyle vlogs and I am currently expecting my first baby. I am a first-time mom and we are so excited. I wasn't planning to vlog this, to be quite honest, but I just think that it's nice to watch these. I want to vlog it at least for the memory of it. Things are not set. I don't have a place for things quite yet. We still need to set up our bassinet, to say the least. But I thought I would show you guys where I'm at, what I've been feeling, and what I have so far. So let's get started on what I've been feeling and how many weeks I am. I'm currently 28 weeks. Tomorrow I'm actually 29 weeks, which means we will be tomorrow officially in the third trimester, and I cannot believe that, guys. It is so amazing how time just flies by. I'm out of breath already. I can't even believe it. I barely started the video. So I will say, hang in there with me because I am always thirsty. I always have water with me. I would say the first trimester was very rough, very tough for me because of how sick I was. The second trimester, in short, I have held the most energy. But as we neared the end of my second trimester, I felt a lot more tired and a lot of naps are taken. Even though I'm still going to the gym, I still feel I have to take a nap right after I have a meal. I have had a few cramps on my legs, which are called like Charlie horses. So I've been taking a lot more magnesium, trying to eat more bananas and stretching at night. My husband is so sweet and just helps me, soothes it, and because it's always on my calf, on my left leg. Someone told me to try to stretch my foot backwards. So if your leg is this, you try to do this with your foot, and that has kind of felt like it helps a little bit in the moment. Overall, the positives have been that I feel her kicking a lot more. My appointments look good, she's looking good, and we're on the right track. And I'm so excited to meet her. I'm so excited. I'm just in awe that I have been growing this sweet little girl. Let me take a water break because I am already running out of breath. I ended up actually putting electrolytes, and then I do a little bit of lemon with ice, and I just swirl that together, and that has helped me so much. I feel like I've been talking so much. I want to show you guys what I wanted to do today. I'm so tired. I didn't take a nap today, so I'm extra tired. Anyway, I bought this from Target, and it's this really big container. I want to try to put clothes in here that I'm not going to be using and make some extra space in our closet for her clothes. Currently, I have my jeans in this hanger. I just recently bought this. I'm thinking if we can put all of this in the plastic container, it would make some space here for her stuff. I have these hangers that are going to be used for her clothes. I do want to fold some of her like onesies and stuff, but I want to hang like the nicer clothes that she has. I heard that these velvet ones were really good with this. And then I also have these little clips for her pants. I also got these clips for things that have like a hat or mitten, but my issue right now is the space. This is literally all I would have for her, so I need to make something happen here where we can create that wedge for her. Ooh, these are so heavy. So these are gonna go in that plastic container, and we'll see what else I can put in there because I know I'm not going to be using these for a bit. So why even just have them taking up space when I need it for her clothes? Also, if my bed has like a bump, it's just my pregnancy pillow. I should do a video with all of my favorites. If you guys would like to see that, let me know because that is definitely one of them. Anyway, I thought I would show you guys really quickly my tummy because I just realized I had not even shown you guys. So this is what I look like It's like a up close. I have really popped already. Yeah. So I've got this all nice and packed. There's already a little bit more space. I may keep these because I do still kind of fit in these athletic leggings. Yeah, this is what I am working with. I also have these little dividers where you can put the clothes based on the size, and I think I'm going to put them up now. I also wanted to show you guys the things that I did get. And these are the few things that I have right now that I want to hang. Okay, so it's these dividers. I'm going to be putting these on the bar here and then just hanging some of the nicest clothes. Okay, so I'm going to put these in here. There we go. The first thing I have is this cute little newborn size Carter's onesie. It's so soft. It's more like a PJ. The foot is so sweet. Look at that. It's like a little bear. The next one I have is a 3-month. This one is so sweet. I obviously still need to wash all of this. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is so sweet. It has these beautiful little ducks on it. Such a gorgeous yellow. Okay. The next one is from Amazon. That is so cute. Look at that. It does need a hanger. $69. These are all the cute little things that I already have from my family's baby shower that I had in Tahoe. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love the color. So pretty. These little dividers are really nice. Start off with what I just did. I hung up all of these with the little dividers like I showed you guys, and so far I really like this concept, especially for things that are like really nice like this. I would prefer them to be hanging. Anyway, this is what we are working with for her little space. I don't think we need much. Let me show you guys what else I have. Then for reference, I have these white bins. So let's start with the top. In here I have some bows that I got at Marshall's. They were having a yellow tag sale, so I picked these up. This is kind of scattered, but in my mind it's very organized. I have her toy in here that I got from Facebook Market for her car seat. It like kind of wraps around. I have some items that were gifted to us and from the brand Little Unicorn. I got this from a thrift store for literally 50 cents, guys. These are like the diaper disposable bags. So I have those in here. I have a little book. Before we knew her gender, I got my husband this book. And over here, I bought this way back when I first found out I was pregnant. It's a portable changing pad from Gather. And when I saw that they had this color back in stock, I ended up jumping on it and getting it. In the second drawer, so far what we have in here are these burp cloths that I was gifted from my family. And then here's like kind of bathing items, like a little comb in here. They're like little, either for burp cloths or for bathing her. And then my family gifted me this nail trimmer as well. And then over here I just have these dividers that hopefully we can put them to use so that things will be nicely organized. And I have one more drawer. I have this. I have some donations that I've gathered here. Lots of clothes, lots of things that I just want to get rid of. So as you can see, I am sort of nesting already, but things seem like they're not gathered, but they are. And I have more things in here that I've tried to organize with these containers. I'll start on this side. I have some bows and like these little boots that I got from an ultrasound, and they're so cute for Christmas and beige. This one is mainly like feeding things, so I have like her pacifiers in here. I'm so excited to try these. I hope she really likes these. They're by the brand Mam. I also have things for myself, like my postpartum things, my comb, which I've mentioned before for giving birth, my socks that I'm going to be wearing. I also have a belly band. And over here I have more like diaper stuff that I have. It's just a sample, and then this diaper cream thing. And I painted this basket back in the beginning of this year, so I thought I would use it. Tons of little animals, and I just thought I would use it this time for some of her stuff. I also was gifted a lot of things from a good friend of mine, and one of the things was this temperature thing along with like the Millie Moon. She was so generous. I mentioned that in one of my videos. She also gifted us the bassinet, which was so nice. And yeah, that's all I have, guys. I also have to organize all of this at some point. These are all of the other little things that I was gifted from my baby shower in Tahoe, and some like passed down toys that were gifted from grandma and things like that. Oh, she actually also gifted us recently this beautiful book, and we just have a lot of little toys and things like that in here. So with time we'll find where to really home these. So yeah, that is everything I have so far. As you can see, it does feel like things are not organized quite yet because I have most of that stuff in the bag still, but in my head I have things sort of organized because I already started putting them in drawers. Hopefully we can get things sped up here and start putting her bassinet and all of the big items in this room. But I'm only going into my 3rd trimester now, so we still have a few weeks and things will just come along slowly. I guess I do have one more thing that I didn't show you guys. We did get a stroller. We ended up getting the Mockingbird, which is such a blessing. I am so grateful. I have made my registry since the beginning of my pregnancy. I just worked on it so hard, so we'll see what we get as a blessing. Everything is a blessing, and we're so grateful for everything that we will receive. I think mainly what a baby needs is mom and dad, and it's easy to feel like you need a lot, especially in today's society, like especially looking on social media. It's really hard to feel like you don't have it all because things don't look aesthetic, or you don't have the perfect nursery and things like that. But I know that the baby doesn't know any of these things. The baby mainly needs the parents, and I need to be healthy is our main priority, so that is what we're focusing on. Yeah, I'm so excited to show you guys along this journey and continue to vlog this whole chaos but nesting organization.